Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can copy your code from Codepen, put it into Visual Studio, then upload it to GitHub and also host it on GitHub. Then I'm going to show you how you can also host it on Netlify. So let's do all that right now. First, we look for our project, our work that we have done. Let's come over to work, click work. So I'm going to choose this, is what I want to use. So right now, okay, let me bring this down, come to the side, increase it to. So this is my code I want to copy. Then I'm going to copy it from here and put it into Visual Studio. So let me do that right now. So all you need to do is to press Ctrl A on your keyboard. That will highlight everything. Notice it's much lighter. Then you can then just copy. I've done that already, so I'm coming straight to my Visual Studio. So here we are, our code is right here. So if I've saved it already right now, but if I've not saved it, let me tell you what I'm going to do. Come over to File, click New File, then paste it here, what you copied from Codepen. You can see it's right here. Then on your keyboard, or you could just come over to File and click Save. Just come up to File and click Save. Or on your keyboard, you can just press Ctrl and S. So let's just click Save from here. So right here we can name it, but I advise you, the only name is to give your HTML. Your first page is index. Don't give it any other name, because when you try loading it up to GitHub, you're going to have issues trying to host it on GitHub. You can load it, yeah, you'll be able to load it, but trying to host it will be an issue because it won't be able to find the page. To keep giving you the 404 error if you try to host it, but you can upload it to GitHub or upload it into your repository, no issues. But trying to host it is where you're going to get an issue. So I advise always name it index. Index of HTML is cool too, just name it. Then most times you might not see HTML like this, you may have to come down and look for it. You can see it right here. Just scroll down. Yep, you can see it right here. But most times it's usually just on files or any other format. See, save as type. So we're gonna save it as HTML. Then let's just put it in a folder. Then save. Save. So that's it. We have saved this file. Now, let me show you how you can upload it to GitHub. Let's go straight to that. Let's reduce that and come straight to GitHub. So I've logged into my GitHub account, so I advise you to log into your own GitHub account. It might be a little bit different from this because I've been using this account and I've done some few changes to it. So it might be different, but just look for repository. You might not have any if you have never used GitHub before, so I need to create. To come to new, click new. I have another video showing how you can create a repository, which I'll put in my description, and also how to create a GitHub account. I'll also put that link in my description. So we're going to click here. Then we put in the name of the repository. This is what we're creating. I'll call it tribute. Okay, that's available. Then come straight down. We're gonna leave all this blank for now. Not that important for now. So let's come to create repository. Click create. Take note that when I type in the name, you saw the green mark. If that name was taken, you might need to make some changes to it. but that name was available right now. So let's see. Okay, now let's upload our file up to GitHub. We come to upload an existing file. Now there are different ways you can upload file to GitHub. You can upload file using Visual Studio. You can upload file using the terminal, the command line. There are different ways, but this is just one of the ways you can use to upload your file up to GitHub. So just come to upload an existing file, click on it. Now choose your file. So now the file I want to upload is on my desktop. Yep, that's different from the other one I saved in a folder. So this is it right here, and the name is index. So click on it. Once you click on it, now come down to open. So that's it. It has been uploaded. So I'm just going to commit it, commit the change. I'm just going to leave it blank. No need for now. Click. That's it. We're done uploading the file up to GitHub. Now let's host it on GitHub. Come to your settings, click on settings, then come to page, then click on none. Now your main branch, this is my main branch called main, so click on it, then save it. Notice main branch root. Let's save it. So it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to be all set, but now we are going straight to Netlify to upload our project there too. So I created an account on Netlify using my GitHub account. I'm going to leave a link showing you how you can create a Netlify account in my description too. So let's click on GitHub to log in. Okay, so we are logged in. So right now we want to upload our project here. So we come to add new site, click on it, come to import an existing project, click on it, then click on GitHub, click on it. So I do advise that if this is the first time you're using Netlify, you should watch my video showing how I created my Netlify account in the beginning. Okay, so now these are all the repository in my GitHub account. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for my tribute. This is it. So click on it. Okay, so let's deploy the site. So we're gonna wait for it to finish. Take note, you can look at this wheel that's turning. Then it says up here, site deploy in progress. Okay, now we're back to GitHub. I want to show you how it looks when you host a site on a page on GitHub. If you notice now, this mark has changed to a pass mark. So now let's click on this link, and that's it. So you can see I'm also hosted it on GitHub too, where it takes a little bit time for it to be ready for you to view, up to maybe 15 minutes or 10 depending. We are almost done. Let's just go over back to Netlify and wrap it up. So we're gonna wait for it to upload. Now depending on the speed of your internet, this could be slow or this could be fast. So we just wait for that. Okay, this is gonna take some time, so let's fast forward it. Oh no, let me show you some other little things while that is still being processed. Now click on site deploy in progress. You can just check around there. You can also see the site settings and the site domain. Okay, note, you can give it a custom domain, but it's not gonna be free. You're gonna pay for that if you want to give it a custom domain. But literally, if you just want to use what they're gonna give you, it's going to be free and you can easily use that. It's not that bad. You can come here and see the site deploy in progress. You can click on it. Site deploy settings. The main reason why I moved away from that page, checking out other options, was so that my page can load much faster. I noticed when I did that it worked. Okay, now I'm going to come up here and click Team A so that I can go back. Okay, now I'm back. I can see my project I've loaded already. Is the first link down. So I'm going to click on it. So now you're going to notice, you can see. Okay, you can see here it's done uploading it to Netlify. You can see right here, it's a pass mark right here. So it's done. We can now view the site. Just click on it, on the link, and this is it. Our site is all uploaded on Netlify. Just click on this link. You can also copy the link if you want to. Right here is a copy link address. You can copy it so that you can send to anybody, a friend or someone you want to show what you have been working on. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video. Let's say subscribe. Thanks.